In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Yahoo Mail in Windows 10. Now, you might be wondering why this process is necessary, especially since the Yahoo Mail app for Windows 10 has been discontinued. But don't worry, as I'm here to guide you through an alternative method that will allow you to access your Yahoo Mail account conveniently from your desktop. First, let's start by navigating to the search bar on your Windows 10 computer. This is typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen, right next to the Start menu. In this search bar, type in Email and Accounts. This will bring up the settings option for managing your email accounts on your device. Go ahead and click on it to open. Once you're in the Email and Accounts settings, you'll want to look for the option that says Add an Account. It's usually prominently displayed, and clicking on this will allow you to add a new email account to your computer. This is a crucial step, as it will enable us to set up Yahoo Mail within your Windows environment. After clicking Add an Account, a new window will pop up with a list of email service providers. Here, you'll need to search for Yahoo Mail specifically. Simply scroll through the list or use the search function if available. Once you've located Yahoo Mail, click on it to proceed. This action will prompt you to enter your Yahoo email account information. So have your Yahoo email address and password ready. Type in your email address in the designated field and proceed to the next step. It's important to ensure that you enter the correct email address to avoid any login issues later on. After entering your email address, the system will prompt you for your password. Input your password carefully, keeping in mind that passwords are case sensitive. Once you've done this, follow any additional prompts to complete the setup process. And there you have it. You've successfully added your Yahoo Mail account to your Windows 10 desktop. This setup allows you to access your emails directly from the built-in Mail application, making it easier to manage your correspondence without needing to open a web browser each time. Remember, even though the dedicated Yahoo Mail app isn't available, this method provides a seamless and integrated experience for managing your emails on your Windows 10 device. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy emailing!